everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I am working on a 14 by 18 canvas today and I have some leftover pastel colors. I just released a video. Just depends on when. I'm not sure because sometimes I release videos out of order that I do them. But recently I did a video for my Facebook challenge or Facebook group contest. And so I've got these colors left over. So I'm going to use another technique because for the challenge I just wanted pastel colors, and then you could use white or black if you wanted, but any technique. So I thought I'm just going to do another technique and get these colors used up. And I am going to kind of go back to basics and do just a flip cup. So this cup here is, you can see there's a little bit of white pearl maybe left in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, besides a flip cup, it's going to be a sandwich flip cup. So if you guys have never done one, all it is you put one color on the bottom, put your other colors in the middle, and then the same color on the top. So like I said, in this case, I'm using my white pearl, which is from FolkArt, as is all the rest of my colors are from FolkArt. So I've got, excuse me, this blue here, and that is blue Lullaby. I've got pink, and this one is Ballet pink. Let's see, I've got light lavender, Calypso sky, and then the last one is called Daybreak. And they're all really pretty light pastel colors. And I'm also going to be using, well, potentially, I have it just in case, white, and it's just Liquitex Basics Titanium White with some Artist Loft white in there. All these are mixed with my regular pouring medium, and that is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. And if you are interested in how my ratios of my paints, I mix everything 1:1. Ugh, got stuck on my ring there. 1:1, except for, I think it was the pink, was about 1.5 parts paint to 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium, and then the white pearl was also the same, 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. I do have my colors here. You can see these are dry. I did my my drip test. They all are pretty same consistency. The pink though was they're kind of a little older bottles, and so that one was just a little thicker, thickened up just a bit. So that's why I had to add a little bit more pouring medium to that one. All right, so like I said, I'm doing a sandwich pour. I'm going to put just a little bit more in the bottom, and then this is the order. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in here. Hopefully I can use them all up. I'm not sure, but we'll see. And for those of you that are new to my channel and you heard me mention contest, that is over in my Facebook group, which is also called Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and I have a monthly group contest. So if you're new, you want to go check that out. Again, it's Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and there's prizes, so it's fun, and it's in the pinned post at the top of the page. You'll see my my other pastel painting that I did from the original contest announcement post, and then you can just post your photo there, and at the end of the month there's a winner, and the winner is determined by the most likes. So if there is a tie, then I will break the tie. So you can vote, you know, for yourself if you enter, and also if there's other paintings that you like, you can also vote for them. So it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. I like it. So hopefully everybody else enjoys it as well. It's just a fun little contest. All right, so now I'm just going to top this off with the white pearl. I guess I can take my, do it like this, a little bit better. There we go. All right, it's pretty to the top. It's pretty to the tippy top there. So let's see. Now I think I may need more paint for this canvas because this is an 8-ounce cup, and I think I need maybe 10 ounces for this. I don't know. We're gonna see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll flip it the old school way. Normally I just kind of flip it on, but I'm gonna do it this way and then do it like that. I normally don't. It's been a while since I've actually done a flip cup, so we'll see how this turns out. Make sure my levelers are under there. All right, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put some around the cup here also. And then I'll just smooth it out. Alright guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and I really love the end result. After I did the flip cup, I was not happy with it, so I kind of just started to play around, and even after I got done using my mini blower, I just had to stop and leave the room and kind of take a step back. And when I walked back in, I was like, oh my gosh, it looks like a dandelion. So I love it. I love the pastels, and I just think it turned out really, really pretty. So I would love to hear what you guys think. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video if you think someone else may enjoy it. Alright guys, also don't forget to check out my Etsy shop for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I really hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you all have a wonderful Easter weekend, and I will catch you in my next video.